Hello everybody, in this tutorial you will learn how to create new account on GroupMe using a Windows or the desktop computer. GroupMe is a cloud-based group messaging platform that allows users to communicate through text messages, multimedia sharing and group conversation across multiple devices, and this guide will walk you through the complete account creation process step by step. First, open any of the web browser or you can simply search GroupMe and open it. Over here what you can do is you'll get into this login information here. Simply type down email or phone number, or you can also log in with your Google account, Facebook, Microsoft or the Apple, and select to this don't have account and you'll get into this sign up here. Type down your email and select to the sign up here and type down your full name, phone number and create a password and select to this continue. And that is it. Your account will be created and you will be redirected to the GroupMe dashboard, and you may be prompted to allow browser notification. You can begin creating groups, joining existing groups or the starting direct messages. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.